In the quiet corners of our campus, something unusual is growing. Not just mushrooms, but curiosity, care, and future possibilities. It all begins with what the world discards: dry straw. Soaked for 48 hours, it becomes the foundation of our fungal future. We mix science into soil: urea, gypsum, poultry manure, a recipe perfected by generations, now passed through labs and hands on trials. In agriculture, nothing happens by accident. We construct a compost pile like a living organism, 5 by 7 by 5 feet of controlled chemistry, covered in black polythene, not to hide, but to transform. Inside, the compost breathes, ferments, evolves. Day 6, day 9, day 12. We turn the compost, each time unlocking more potential. Next comes spawning, introducing the mushroom's DNA into our prepped compost, covered gently with sterilized paper. Fragile yet full of promise. We leave it in darkness and wait. In 15 days, the first flush breaks through. What began as straw becomes sustenance. At United University, agriculture is more than a course. It's the science of survival, the business of sustainability, the art of growing not just food, but futures. Grow with us at the Department of Agriculture.